Well, here we are again. Let's check my progress here. So motor's on temporarily. Just put it on there to make sure the holes were drilled properly and to get it out of my way. The cap's bolted on. I'm going to loosen the cap and silicone the seal when I'm ready to finalize it. Made me a windshield. Took an old boat with a similar windshield and cut the frame down to fit. I'm going to fill in the area with plexiglass instead of using the glass. I've seen that done before. Shouldn't be a big deal. Did some modification on the front deck. Let's get out of the sun so we can see a little better. So I'm not going to do seats in the front. I want a front deck. So what I did, this is my template. I reinforced underneath around. Got my crossbar there. And I'm just going to let this sheet just kind of sit in there, carpet it, and that'll be my front deck. Now I'm working on filling all the holes in the cap. I counted 58 holes on one side, and that's old cleats, bimini tops, handrails, you name it. It was mounted to this boat. There's my gas tank I was going to use. That's too big, it doesn't fit, so we're going to stick with the 6-gallon carry-on. But my next step now is to start grinding all these patches all over the boat. I'm going to get it down to a bare hole with no holes in it. That's my goal. So I got my handy belt sander. Gonna put that to work here in a minute to knock off the tops and get it somewhat level. Right now it's super heavy. I think that's 40, 60 grit. It's good for getting everything level, but not what I want to use to finish with. So we're gonna get started here in a minute and start sanding. Let it cool off a little. It's still over 100 right now, so good for the gel, good for the fiberglass. Rock solid. Didn't have any problems with that drying. So far with the stringers and the floor, I got a temporary floor in there so I could get in there and not trip on anything. But with the stringers and the transom, I'm a little over a gallon of resin right now. I've got another gallon left to finish the floor. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get started making a mess. So this is the before we start grinding. I'll do another video after. You can see it won't look so bad. Right now I know it's a mess. I know some people are like, well, that looks like a lot of work. Well, you know what? You're right. It's a hell of a lot of work. A heck of a lot of work, sorry. So, if you're thinking about doing this, hope you don't mind getting dirty. Hope you don't mind itching. Even with the mask, gloves, shirts, it's a dirty, itchy, nasty job. But I like it. It's what I do. So, enjoy.